Hey there, let's talk about cleaning, specifically vacuuming. If you're still lugging around a heavy corded vacuum, it's time to upgrade to something smarter, lighter, and way more convenient. Meet this cordless vacuum cleaner, a powerful, self-standing, and super efficient cleaning tool that's perfect for your home, whether you're dealing with pet hair, carpets, or hard floors. Let me tell you why this vacuum is a must-have. First off, this vacuum is powerful. It's equipped with a 550W brushless motor that delivers 45 kPa of suction power. That's enough to pick up everything from surface debris to deeply embedded dirt, even beating out 95% of other vacuums on the market. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood, or tiles, this vacuum gets the job done. No compromises. Now here's something I love. It's cordless and has a 60-minute runtime on a single charge. That's enough to clean your entire home without stopping. And if you need even more time, you can buy a second battery separately to double the runtime. Plus, it comes with a rechargeable wall mount that not only charges the vacuum, but also stores all the attachments, like the long, flat nozzle and dusting brush. It's sleek, convenient, and keeps everything organized. But wait, it gets better. This vacuum has a self-standing feature so you can pause mid-cleaning without worrying about it falling over. No more propping it against furniture or bending down to pick it up. Just let it stand on its own, and when you're ready, keep going. It's such a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. Here's another cool feature. It's got 4 suction modes that you can control with an LED touchscreen. You've got Eco mode for light cleaning, Standard for everyday messes, Boost for deep cleaning, and Auto mode, which automatically adjusts the suction power when it detects carpets. It's like having a vacuum that thinks for you. And with its lightweight design, it's easy to switch between floor cleaning and handheld mode for stairs, upholstery, or even your car. Finally, this vacuum comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 after-sales service, so you can buy it with confidence. It's designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and way more enjoyable. If you're ready to ditch the cords and upgrade your cleaning game, this cordless vacuum cleaner is the way to go. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Trust me, your floors and your back will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations.